Fifth-generation Toyota RAV4 is getting up there in age. It went on sale in 2019, got an update late in 2021, and soon, Toyota will replace it entirely. Despite its age, though, the RAV remains one of the best-selling vehicles in the country, with 350,000 units sold through the first 9 months of the year, which means Toyota won't want to upset that success with a radically new SUV. The next-generation RAV4, which already rides on the automaker's TNGA-K platform that underpins the updated Camry, will likely receive an evolutionary update. We expect the company to borrow styling cues from other recent models as it freshens the RAV4's design, revamps its technology, and switches to hybrid-only powertrains. So long, gas-only engines. We don't know when Toyota plans to debut the new RAV4, but the company's recent launches could offer some clues as to what we can expect from the redesigned SUV. The new RAV should go on sale for the 2026 model year. Here's what we know so far. It should have a redesigned center console as well, and an instrument panel with a new dashboard layout. What will power the new RAV4? Toyota recently updated the Camry for 2025, dropping the entry-level, non-hybrid engine from the sedan. We expect the 2026 RAV4 to likely follow suit and drop the base engine for an all-hybrid lineup of powertrains. Toyota already offers a RAV4 hybrid, which should become the new entry point with the 2026 model. Currently, the powertrain consists of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a rear-mounted electric motor, which should carry over into the new crossover with a handful of updates to make it more efficient. Toyota also offers the RAV4 plug-in hybrid, no longer the Prime. That version should carry over into the new model year. It uses an enhanced version of the RAV's 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, but Toyota pairs it with 2 electric motors instead of 1 for a total system output of 302 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.5 seconds. The RAV4 Prime uses an 18 We haven't caught Toyota testing any next-generation RAV4s in public yet, so its design remains a pretty well-guarded secret. That said, we don't expect the automaker to stray far from the brand's latest styling ethos. Our rendering predicts Toyota will apply the tougher, boxier-looking Tacoma and Sequoia styling to the next-generation crossover while removing some of the gaudy cladding. We expect it to have a larger, trapezoidal-shaped grille with an upright front fascia flanked by high, slim headlights. The boxier styling carries over to the rear too, where slim taillights wrap around the quarter panel and into the fender. It has a much more traditional design than the current crossover. We don't know what the new cabin will look like, but it should follow the layout established in the other recently launched Toyota models, with a large central screen, a digital instrument display, and plenty of physical buttons. One kilowatt-hour battery that provides up to 42 miles of electric-only range, and we hope Toyota can squeeze out a few more miles for the next-gen model. How much will the 2026 RAV4 cost? The RAV4 competes in a crowded and popular segment where consumers expect good value, so we don't believe Toyota will increase its starting price by much.